Um, Hello, hi. Now we are checking the density of tap water and the density of salt water. So right now Daniel is with me, and Daniel will add salt in one of the glass. Daniel, can you add the salt? No, from that side. Okay, now Daniel mix this gently. Okay, for 10 more seconds. Let the all salt will dissolve. The salt water having the more density than the normal water. Let's see. Okay, now stop. Now we will check the density of salt water and normal water, tap water. We will submerge the eggs in the both of the glasses, and we will see if the which having the more density. Daniel, no, don't. Can you add Daniel egg in both cups slowly? Remove your hands. You see, you see that in salt water the egg is not touching the surface, and even slowly it will go up, and in the normal water, tap water, the egg touch the surface of the glass. Now here it's suspended, and now if you focus it will go up slowly, but it's not finished yet. Now focus here, because salt water having more density, so that's why uh, egg is not sinking properly, but here the density of water is less and density of egg is more, so it will sink properly. Now see here again, the egg is going up, and eventually if you check after 1 minute or 2 minutes, the cup the egg reaching at the top surface, the egg will reach at the top surface of glass. Check now for 2-3 minutes. So it clearly shows that salt water having more density and tap water having less density. See, so hope you understand this practical. And if I continue the video, you will see that time will come then egg will reach at the top of the surface. So hope this is fine for today for me and Daniel. Goodbye.